one.
Here we go. So I built another plane. It is called, I think I would just call it, it's a real 3D plane. So it's meant to look like the original, which is a s-bach, I think that's how you pronounce it. It has all control surfaces except for flaps. There's elevator, rudder, or I mean ailerons, and then rudder, and then throttle. That's only on a 2-cell battery, which I could make up the performance, go up, because I have little 3 cells, and we'll try that after we get this started. So, yeah, I got my new DX6E running. It has 3D plane set up, the 3D RC. I'm going to change it to s-bach later. And then I can turn on dual rates, which makes it so everything moves better. And I have more, I can basically move it more. If I turn it down, and then that's dual rates. It might be a little, but it's a lot while you're flying. So let's take this thing and go. Cut.
On action.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's not taking off. 1, go. Oh shit. Ah, come back.
Don't even fly.
I'm trying to get away. It's having some issues. 1, go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's having some sort of problem. I need to fix it. Landing. Okay, that's the best landing I could probably do. Flying inverted.
That's cool. Should I get some of your hands, like?
In a minute. Here we go. Got take the filming on my hands.
Yep. All right.
Here we go. Whoa. Oh, just do that. Holy sh**. Yeah, I can't see. Oh.
Right.
Fly inverted. Whoa! Okay, I panicked because I thought I was gonna hit you. Jeez. Go. Holy sh**,
Land it.
I can do it. Okay, I think I should land it for a second. That was a nice landing.
How's this for your last hurrah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, come back.
Oh no.
Come back.
I'm packed, dude.
I'm coming. Let's.
Oh my god, dude.
Yes.
Yes, that hurt. All right.